Hey guys, it's Amanda. I have not filmed a video in like 4 months or some crazy amount of time. I have been so busy. It's been summer. It's been crazy. I just haven't had time to film. Also, I am in a whole new location. I am in my basement now. I just hate the lighting and everything, so I've been like putting off filming. I finally had enough. I was like, you know what? Haven't filmed in like 4 months. I'm just gonna make a stinking video in the basement. I don't care how it comes out. I don't care if the lighting's bad. I just want to make a video. So here I am. I'm back filming a video. I went on like a crazy MAC rampage and I went on their website and I bought like 20 things, and one of the things was the MAC Tan Pigment, and I've been dying to make a look with it. So today I created this look and this is what I filmed. So if you would like to see how I got this, then just keep watching. So hello, I have not filmed a voiceover in forever. It's kind of weird, not gonna lie. So I'm gonna start with my Naked 3 palette, and I'm going to take Limit and mix it with some MAC Soft Brown, and I'm just going to use that as my transition shade. A little brownie, a little pinky in the middle. Now I'm just going in with Nooner and then MAC Ground Brown, and I'm going to start building up the darkness on my eye. So I don't want to go in with a whole bunch of dark eyeshadow at first, because then it's harder to blend everything. So I just go in with a few light layers to increase the darkness slowly. And then I just like to go in with a clean brush to get the edges to make it seamless. Now here's the star of the show, the MAC Tan Pigment. Oh, it's so pretty. So I just go in with a flat brush and put that all over my lid. I really just want this to pop. It goes great with green eyes, or if you have blue eyes even. And I'm just gonna take some MAC Fix Plus spray and spray it on my flat brush and just tap it in. I love doing this with pigments. I think it makes them pop so much more. And now I'm just going to take some more of the MAC Ground Brown and start to make a halo. So I just really want to frame that tan pigment and make it pop. So that's why I'm adding some of the darkness in my inner corner as well. Now just going in with some Ardell Wispies and using the glue from my pinky, because my glue decides to explode like all the time. And now I'm just gonna put those on. My favorite shade to highlight my brow bone with is Buff in my Lorac Pro 2 palette. It's not a shimmer, so that's why I like it. And now I'm just gonna go in with my Clinique High Impact Volume Mascara and my Marc Jacobs Black Gel Liner, I can't talk, to tightline, just to blend in the lashes with my eyes. I usually just use my L'Oreal Magic Lumi Primer, not really as a primer to lock my makeup in, but more to just add that glow to my skin that I really like, especially in the summertime. And then after that, I'm going in with my Clinique Beyond Perfecting, I think it's called, foundation, and I'm just going to blend it in with my flat top It Cosmetics foundation brush. I don't know if this has a name, but I stinking love this type of brush to blend foundation in. It's like my favorite. Going in with my favorite concealer, the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Fair. I don't care what concealer I try, this is my best friend, always. Just doing the usual, setting my face with Laura Mercier translucent powder, and then going in with my Smashbox contour shades. I mix the warmer and the cooler tone shades, and I just use that kind of as a contour slash bronzing. I don't like to do any sharp contour, so I kind of just buff it out.
Beats. Battlestar Galactica.
If anyone's ever wondering what I'm doing while filming YouTube videos, I'm always watching Netflix or something. So now I'm just going in with Milani's Dusty Rose, or no, Romantic Rose, sorry. And then my Anastasia highlighting powder in Dripping in Gold, which is gorgeous. Like, yeah. Taking some more of the MAC Ground Brown and smoking out my lower lash line, and then going in with my Bobbi Brown highlighter and popping that on my inner corners. And to finish the look, I'm using MAC's Soar Lip Liner and then Urban Decay Streak Lipstick. And then after that, the look is completed. I am pretty in love with this look, I am not gonna lie. If you have green or blue eyes, I am forcing you to try this. This color palette is going to look amazing on you. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you soon. Down, ride it, up, ride it.